Welcome to the onboarding video of SKU Compass. So welcome my friends. I want to show you how to create your brand in here and how it will import your sales. Now, if you're using Amazon or Shopify, we have other connections, WooCommerce and ShipStation that we can turn on by request. But first thing we're going to do, we're going to create your brand. And should be the very first question you get asked. If you get asked another question other than create your brand, you are on some other software. You're on the wrong software. Go back to SKU Compass. Hit start, create brand. I'm going to call this one your brand because this is your brand and it's not my brand. I have my brand. Your brand name, and it can be anything. It doesn't have to match Amazon, doesn't have to match Shopify, but however you want to define it in this system for you or any other users that are using it. You got a referral code, put that in here. Referral code allows you, it tells us who referred you. And if there's special pricing, special features you're getting, that'll put that in there. I don't have a referral code because I referred myself. Next step, a few questions to answer. So first, do you have an Amazon store? Answer yes or no. Do you have a Shopify store? Yes or no. These allow us to push you where you need to go in the process of onboarding if you have these connections. If you have a 3PL, select yes. If you do not, select no. If you have active purchase orders, you can put those in. Right now, these are informational things for us to help you onboard after you get connected. Manufacturer lead time. I'm going to explain this field, manufacturer lead time. It's very important that these next two fields you make accurate. You don't want to underestimate, and you also don't want to overestimate. You kind of want to be within a little window of margin of error, and that's for you to decide on the margin of error. But manufacturer lead time is the number of days it takes you from ordering to your manufacturer, whether it's in China or US or Mexico, wherever, to the time it gets delivered. If it's a lot of people are ordering in China, 30 days to make the product, maybe 45 days to deliver, or maybe it's 30 days to make it and 30 days to deliver. That's 60 days. So you want to put in 60 days. If you're stateside and some clients tell me they can get their product in 14 days, however much I don't believe them, maybe it's possible. They should put in 14 days. Safety stock. Safety stock is the amount of inventory you want to keep in number of days. If you sell 100 units a day and you put 30 days safety stock, you're telling the system you want at least 3,000 units in stock at all times. It's going to tell you that you're either low or how many days of stock you have in surplus. Now, 30 to me seemed a little low. I like to be around the 45 and 60 mark. But my sample brand comes from China. And sometimes things happen, shipping happens, pandemics happen, things like that happen, and it changes everything. So I like to add extra few days in there because I don't know what's going to happen. It's the insurance of your business. If you don't have product you're not selling, if you had a restaurant, you had no food, you're not selling anything to any customers because you have no food. Same thing goes on your store, on your Amazon store. If you have no product, it's in shipping. Your customers usually don't care that it's in shipping. They want it next few days be shipped out. And actually, what happened to 2-day shipping? All my stuff is coming in 4 days now. I don't want to talk about that. I'm going to hit save and continue. This is the billing screen. So this is setting up your profile for billing. SKU Compass comes right now with a 30-day trial. No credit card needed, just full access for 30 days. And if you want to keep the product, you can just pay the invoice that gets sent to you. Right now, I'm just going to hit start free trial. It's going to move me on. Now it's time to create your connections. I'm going to connect stores, and it's going to take me over to the Amazon and Shopify connection piece. Right here is very simple. All you do is click authorize, and it'll take you over to Amazon into your account. Make sure if you have multiple brands in Amazon that you are selecting the correct brand, because it will. You don't want to connect the wrong brand in Amazon to the wrong brand in SKU Compass. It's smart, but it also doesn't realize that you know that you selected the wrong brand. So, Shopify, you can go to Shopify instructions and you can watch the video on how to set this up. There is a little bit of a manual process, and we can help you set that up as well. You can reach out to us, schedule with my team. But basically, you want to validate your store and then add in the API codes right here, just following this process or this video.